Welcome to MLAC online tutorial. Before us is this question that says determine how many moles of electron are transferred when 4,825 coulombs of electricity are passed through an electrolytic cell. Now here we are given that 1 Faraday equals 96500 coulombs. Alright, now for us to get this started, let us recall that 1 Faraday now gives us 1 mole of electron, right? Okay, now if 1 Faraday now gives us 1 mole of electron, which means 1 times 96500. Now if 1 Faraday is given to this, is given as a 96500 coulombs. So it would also imply that 1 times 1650 coulomb will also give 1 mole of current. So if this will give us this, then therefore 4825 coulomb will now give us x number of moles, x mole of electron. So with this we can just cross multiply. So here we have that our x now will give us, making x the sort of formula or the relation, we have 4825 times 1 then divided by 96500. Okay, so with this we can punch our calculator, and here we have it 0.05 mole. All right, final answer. If you love what I've just done, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of every video that I will be uploading in this channel, both physics, chemistry and mathematics. Thank you and God bless you.